So one evening decided to go up to Rikers Cafe for one of their sunset rallies in the evening after a long day. Thought, just take the sidecar out. My dad's used to be a biker back in the day, but hasn't been on a bike for quite some time. But he would happily go in the sidecar, he said. So yeah, off we went for Rikers Cafe, and I managed to get Angie to join us. She's probably in her late 50s, and yeah, she's got a nice Suzuki Weestrom. And then we've got David on a blue Honda 500 CB, I think, and he's in his 80s and he's still riding a motorbike. Anyway, this is my dad's first experience in the sidecar, and it didn't go completely according to plan.
Bumpy over them blooming bumps.
I know it was bumpy, I felt it too.
Oh, that's fucking fun.
Yeah, it is fun, isn't it?
It's a bit like being in a car in a way.
Or a roller coaster. That was my baffle.
Oh?
That was my baffle falling out. Shoot. Was that my baffle?
Yeah. Miss me.
Oh. Careful, it's probably really, really hot. Careful. It's probably 1,000 degrees.
It's pretty hot.
I'm guessing it is. I don't want to touch it. It was doing really well when I opened it up.
Yeah, it was.
You saw the smoke coming out the back?
I did.
It's not actually that bad. Yeah, I can pick that up probably. Let's get a stick or something.
Me to do it.
Just... Okay, it's not that bad. It's not actually that bad. Right, that's a bit of it.
Right. What am I looking for?
Dunno.
I only saw that come out actually.
Cool. You can check my lid. I don't want to touch my lid now.
Yeah.
I've got a massive fuel leak as well now.
Oh no.
I've just turned it off.
He's done it.
Oh, I see what's happened.
The screws come out.
You see these two bolts here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what's happened. They just pinch into here. Thinking baffle. I see how it's happened. Has it stopped leaking?
Yeah.
Good. Good. So my carb's leaking badly as well. Yeah, really badly. So it's all part of the maiden voyage.
Yeah.
Just getting it to work. Right, let's just mop that out. Yeah, there's quite a bit in there. Cool, I'm glad this happened here and not like on a dual carriageway or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd have been a right faff to stop
It
and
would have been. Yeah.
to get it.
It would have been.
Yeah, okay, you know what, we'll just go the main way back.
Alright.
We'll go back the way we're going to go and
Okay.
carry on back that way.
Alright.
Right, I'll see what this fuel leak was like, because that was a bad fuel leak.
It was.
So I'm going to start it and go, and hopefully it's not pouring out like it was. But if I'm using it, then it shouldn't go anywhere.
Shouldn't go anywhere.
It's not dripping now, no. But if I turn the fuel on, it might start again. Yeah. Is it leaking?
I can't see anything at the moment.
Last, it did it again. It did it again.
Oh,
It did it again.
oh dear. Oh. That's annoying. You see it. Turn the fuel off.
It just do. Yeah, turn it off. Turn it off. That's off, isn't it? Yeah, off.
It wasn't leaking anyway.
Yeah, it's all right. So if you're
Turn the baffle.
baffles. Again. Again.
I looked for your book, but I couldn't see it.
I saw it.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. Doesn't matter.
You'd probably be able to get home like that, wouldn't you?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's the baffle. Hang on, I'm going to try and start it without it in.
What will happen?
It'll just be a bit loud. It'll just be a bit loud is all.
Your fuel's off, by the way.
That's fine.